Say Goodbye to Snoring shows you the surprising link between what you eat and those noisy nights. Discover the foods that trigger snoring and the ones that promote peaceful sleep. No more gadgets or uncomfortable devices, just simple dietary changes for a quieter, more restful night. Ready to reclaim your sleep? Say goodbye to snoring. Get your copy today and snore no more. Scroll down for more info. All links and some free bonuses are in the description. Please like, share, and subscribe for more information.